Hey there, welcome back to my blog. Today, we're going to explore one of the fundamental teachings of Buddhism, the Four Noble Truths. The Four Noble Truths are like a roadmap to understanding and overcoming suffering, which is a central theme in Buddhism. So, let's dive right in. The first noble truth is the truth of suffering or dukkha. In Pali, it's the recognition that life is filled with various forms of suffering, physical pain, mental anguish, and the dissatisfaction that comes from constantly seeking happiness outside ourselves. We all experience suffering in different ways, but acknowledging the existence is the first step to finding peace. The second noble truth is the truth of the cause of suffering, known as samadhiya. It teaches us the suffering doesn't just happen randomly. It has a cause, and that cause is often our cravings, attachments, and desires. When we become attached to things or crave certain experiences, we set ourselves up for disappointment because these things are impermanent and can never truly satisfy us. But there's good news. The third noble truth is the truth of the end of the suffering, or nirodha. It reminds us that suffering can be overcome by letting go our attachment and desires. We can attain a state of liberation called nirvana, where suffering ceases to exist. This doesn't mean that we'll never experience pain or difficulty again, but rather that we'll no longer be controlled by our suffering. We'll find a deeper sense of peace and contentment that isn't dependent on external circumstances. So, how do we reach this state of nirvana? That's where the fourth noble truth comes in. The truth of the path to the end of suffering, or Magga. It lays out the noble eightfold path, which consists of 8 practices that guide us towards liberation. The Noble Eightfold Path includes practices like right view, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. These practices help us cultivate wisdom, ethical conduct, and mental discipline, ultimately leading us to freedom from suffering. And there you have it, the Four Noble Truths of Buddhism. Understanding and embracing these truths can lead to profound insights and transformation in our lives. Thank you for joining me in this journey, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Wait for it. We will have another Buddhism topic in the next vlog.
Magandang gabi, mga kaibigan. Sa ating vlog ngayon, tatalakay tayo tungkol sa 8 sa daang landas ng Budismo. Isang gabay sa tunay ng kapayapaan at kalinawan. Ano ang 8 sa daang landas? Ang 8 sa daang landas ay mga prinsipyo ng pamumuhay na itinuturo sa Budismo. Ito ay isang landas patungo sa tunay na kasiyahan at kaginhawaan sa buhay. Paglalakbay sa bawat landas. Una, tamang pananaw, right view. Ang wastong pag-unawa sa buhay at sa mundo. Ikalawa, tamang layunin, right intention. Ang pagtak sa landas na puno ng layunin, ng kabutihan at hindi pinsala. Ikatlo, tamang salita, right speech. Ang wastong paggamit ng salita na nagdudulot ng kapayapaan at pag-unawa. Ikaapat, tamang gawa, right action. Ang wastong pagkilos na nagpapakita ng kabutihan at katarungan. Ikalima, tamang buhay, right livelihood. Ang pagpili ng hanap buhay na hindi nagdudulot ng pinsala sa iba at sa sarili. Ika-6, tamang pagsisikap, right effort. Ang pagpupunyagi sa wastong pag-uugali at pagpapabuti sa sarili. Ika-7, tamang pansin, right mindfulness. Ang pagiging saksi sa iba sa bawat sandali ng buhay na may pagmamahal at pag-unawa. Ika-8, tamang konsentrasyon, right concentration. Ang pagtataguyod ng isang malalim na konsentrasyon at kalinawan sa isip. Salamat sa pagtangkilik sa ating vlog. Sana ay nakuha niyo ang kabuluhan ng 8 sa daang landas sa paghahangad ng tunay na kalinawan at kapayapaan. Hanggang sa susunod na pagkakataon. Maraming salamat.